All right, so this literally is probably one of my favorite cops of the year. I was able to do it myself online. It was a victory.
Wow.
And I was excited. What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
Of Dad and Son.
Kick Talk.
And today, we are kick talking
the Nike Dunk Mid Social Status free lunch in the strawberry milk colorway.
Now, if you haven't noticed, we've already talked about the Nike Dunk Mid Social Status free lunch.
It's a mouthful. Chocolate. Milk
colorway. Yes. And today, we are mixing chocolates and strawberry to make some chocolate-covered strawberry Dunk Mid Nike Social Statuses.
That's not a thing.
What?
No chocolate-covered strawberries. They're two separate things.
Yeah.
But we're going to give the people what they're here for. And we are talking about this exquisite shoe. But before we do, if it's your first time here, do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you know when we are going to be releasing more heat as it comes out. All right? So now that that's out of the way,
that is actually the wrong box.
No, it's not. Those are the chocolate milk dunks.
Well, then what they got strawberry milk colored check for? Oh, right, because this was supposed to be the teaser too. Let me put that to the side. Now, let me know about this.
Yes. All right, so if you haven't seen the previous video we did on the chocolate milk dunk, we go into great detail about the box and all the details inside the box, the tissue paper with the Social Status free lunch calendar. Of course, shout out to Social Status, James Whitner, who also owns Amamanier, for them just pushing the boundary with design. And
James Whitner's been going crazy this year,
they've been, I think, collaborator of the year.
You love him, because you got all of his stuff.
I love it, man. I love it, and they're still doing more stuff that's coming out this year.
Yeah.
And I love the story behind this whole shoe concept, the free lunch program. Just real quick, going back to his upbringing in a lot of lower income, underserved communities. The free lunch program was a means for underserved youth to get food during the day. Parents were out working, parents were not making a lot of money, so it was government subsidized lunch programs, things like that for the neighborhood. Yeah. So through all of that adversity comes joy. That's what this shoe embodies. And we're talking about the strawberry milk, which is amazing.
That is clean. I can't lie to you.
I don't know.
Nice.
Are you a fan of strawberry milk or chocolate milk? What's your go-to favorite, would you say, just as a milk connoisseur such as yourself?
I hate them both.
Yeah, you do, don't you?
I do. I don't like chocolate milk. Chocolate milk is absolutely atrocious.
I'll tell you this.
Strawberry milk ain't too much better. Actually, strawberry milk is tolerable. I'm more of an almond milk fan.
Almond milk?
Yes. I sound like a nerd right now. I don't like chocolate or strawberry milk, but I do like almond milk.
I don't know if you just drink that on your own as like a 6 or 7 year old. Yeah.
No.
Right, exactly. I mean, as a kid,
milk by itself anyway.
When you're like in elementary school and you go to get your lunch and they have the little cartons of milk.
That's just because for some reason those public schools decided that we should drink milk with a burger or something. That's not actually how a meal is supposed to work.
It was the whole thing. It was the vitamin D for the kids to help their bones and help them grow up big and strong.
Okay.
That's the whole marketing thing. We're not even going to talk about that right now.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you this. Growing up, chocolate milk was the bomb diggity. And they really didn't sell strawberry milk in the schools that I went to. But that chocolate milk, when it was ice cold, man, it was good.
Nah, I remember back in the elementary school days, we actually used to have milk all the time. I used to love milk, actually. I can't lie to you.
Right.
Back in elementary school, I was drinking milk. We used to have these milk drinking challenges in the whole cafeteria. We used to have these bottles of milk, and we'd race each other. It was all the boys at the table.
Bottles of milk, not cartons?
Not cartons. It was like a small bottle.
So you had a little top to screw up.
Yeah, top of the
fancy schools.
Yeah,
I don't know what we had.
You.
The paper carton, pop to the thing, and the little triangle.
Regardless.
Yeah.
We had our little tournaments, whatever.
Did you win the championship?
Man, I was the reigning champion. You know me.
Awesome.
Thank you.
What was the actual contest, though? What did you say? You didn't say
the contest was to drink milk.
That's it.
There was a race.
Yeah, there was a race to drink the bottles of milk.
To finish it.
To finish it first.
Yeah.
And I was fast. I was speedy, man. I used to I don't even know how I did it. I was just so nice with it.
Just crushing the milk bottle.
It was some good milk, too.
Nice. That's a skill.
Yeah.
That's one to grow on, kids.
Yeah. That's why I'm all tall now.
Boom.
6'1". I drink all that milk.
This kid's 6'1".
6'1", by the way.
I'm not 6'1".
Yeah.
I'm a little jealous.
Because I drink all that milk.
Son, so I'm happy for him. Back to this Social Status Dunk Mid.
Yeah.
So you see this is not a a dunk low, it's not a dunk high, it's a mid, right? And the materials on this shoe, man, we've got straight up like velvet velour going on here. We've got a smooth leather here. It's got a good, nice, slight tumble to it.
This is so creative, man.
We got some nubuck, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's so much creativity went into this. It looks like something out of Adventure Time.
Adventure Time. Never watched that. I remember you used to watch that show.
Amazing show.
The light blue, the colors, the materials, we got more velvet and velour on the back, and the swoosh that's filled with this gel.
It's a bubble, yo.
It's
playing with it right
crazy.
now. I love
Right.
it.
And on the ingredients,
Come bite
on the
it.
inside of the shoe, right? No, do not bite my shoe, man. The ingredients say that is a milky TPU gel swoosh.
Yeah.
TPU is a chemical acronym. I forget what it is. I'm not looking that up right now. Tell us in the comments if you know what TPU is. So yeah, you got the TPU gel swoosh, right? And the way that they have the materials on the eyelets, you got more velour, velvet here, the rope laces. Actually comes with like a, I wanted to say this was like a yellow, but it's more like a peachy, but more mango kind of color. Right? Like, did you say that's kind of like mango a little bit or something?
I would say orange creamsicle.
That's a good one. Good one. And it matches with the like the edging around the swoosh, right? That orange creamsicle
And if you look
in that gel.
now, the swoosh is more yellowish, but if you
I thought they were kind of exactly the same personally.
yeah, they're pretty similar, yes.
Okay.
But if you look in the swoosh, you'll notice that unlike the chocolate milk, this actually has actual milk inside of it.
No.
Not actual milk, but it has like cartoon of milk inside the swoosh. This
It
is
looks
awesome,
like a
man.
milky texture, like somebody
Yeah.
poured milk in there.
No, I mean literally like cartoon milk on the thing.
Is it like a milk jug, or you're just saying it looks like white?
Like drawn on. What's pretty cool is if you look at it, you start at the top here. You'll notice how the milk isn't really too prominent, and then it becomes more prominent as you go down. This is actually supposed to create the effect of the milk being poured down into the corner of the swoosh. Imagine we're holding it this way, and the milk jug is being poured like this.
It is gathering at the bottom.
Exactly, and you can see the splash in real time at the bottom. This is what you call a motion picture.
A motion picture. I thought motion pictures were movies, but I think you just kind of redefined what a motion picture is.
I did.
Wow. Guys, you can have that nugget for free. You didn't expect to get that
No, you
today.
can't.
No?
$5.
Awesome. So, of course, we got the Nike and the Social Status lunch ticket on the tongue, which again, the tongue, they changed the colors up. You got this blue on the inside, which is awesome.
Okay.
And then again, the pinkish, dark pink kind of rope lace. You got the rope laces, so they did this on both the strawberry and the chocolate milk. But the rope laces are super cool to me.
Yeah.
They just give it a different effect versus just a regular flat lace.
Suppose the rope laces are there to represent the jump ropes that children played with after going to free lunch at recess.
Right, because what else would the ropes, what would they signify? Maybe they playing tug of war.
I'm on fire right now, bro. I'm like,
Dude.
like if this was 2K, I would have Takeover on right now.
You be on fire?
Yes.
Yeah.
My goodness.
He's heating up. He said he's on
Yo,
fire.
One more.
One more.
Squid Game, bro.
The colors?
Yes. Squid Game reference in real life.
I don't understand.
Boom. The Social Status logo on the ticket right here is supposed to represent the triangle on the guards in Squid Game.
What about the circle guys and the square guys?
They're not important.
Okay, got you.
I might-
might be reaching a little bit right
My
now.
takeover might be off now, actually.
It's okay though. It's okay.
Thanks,
That was some deep thought, man.
I'm back with some mega soon.
I like you thinking outside the box and
Thank you.
trying to make some things work.
Thank you,
But
yeah.
this actually is Social Status's logo.
Yeah.
Right? The
I got
double
that right.
triangle. Yeah, you got that right.
Yeah.
That's all I got for you. On that. That's their logo. But all the branding and everything, Nike on one, Social Status on the other. The midsole, they totally went like in a different direction with the midsole. This is like a, not white, it's kind of like a sail off-white colorway.
Yeah.
And then you've got like a military green bottom, right? On the outsole. So compare that to the chocolate milk. Grab that for a second.
Yeah.
Chocolate milk, they had all the brown and yellow, like this banana kind of color. And then they flipped it with the light blue on the bottom. Right?
Yeah.
So they're just like, look, we got these colors. We're gonna do something totally different on the bottom to just give you a different effect.
Yeah.
So
But I like this thing you're doing right here. We can combine the two and make the chocolate strawberry milk combo.
Boom.
You walk around like that, look like a little Adventure Time Cartoon Network character.
I don't know if I want to look like a cartoon
multicolored
character.
rainbow shoes.
That might be a bit much.
But it's nice though.
I don't know how I would coordinate an outfit with this. I mean, I guess I could just go monochrome on the top and bottom,
Yeah,
and then
that's what I would do.
the multicolored shoes.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I don't know how that works. It's a lot of colors if you,
That's
if you go
what I'm
that
saying,
route.
yeah.
You got pink, brown, yellow, blue, green. It's just a lot going on if you try to do that
Not
whole
lying.
combination.
Yeah.
But ultimately, again, super happy.
Yeah.
Both shoes, completing the set. I was able to cop these again manually on the Social Status site on drop day. Watch this. All right, guys, we are getting ready for the Social Status dunk release. Strawberry milk. Let's see what's gonna happen today. I'm on Zoom with my Soul Savvy guys.
That's really it. There's gonna be a lot of right now, it's no donuts at free lunch. Indeed, that was the correct domain name. Adding to the cards.
Add in the card. Size 11.
Checkout. Captcha. Type out power. So it's just asking us to type out what's on the screen. Mine says power. Mine said around the biggest cat. I'm gonna fuck this up.
Okay, we're in queue. Whew. All right, we in the queue, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
And it's gonna be everything for me. Set something on top for you. Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go.
My second cue. Let's keep an eye on.
Whew. Got him. Sweet. Yeah, buddy. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. All right, Nigel. So, chocolate milk, strawberry milk. We've already done a video there and rated that shoe.
Yeah.
What's your take on the strawberry milk?
The strawberry milks,
Yes.
I ain't gonna lie, the green at the bottom is kind of throwing me off here.
Yeah.
It's kind of a random addition. Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna give these, but aside from that, I love the shoe.
Yeah.
Giving very princess bubblegum, cotton candy.
Yeah. Very cotton candy. I can definitely see that.
So I'm gonna give them a 9 out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah, so
That's a high
score,
rating.
Yeah, maybe it would have been a 10 if the bottom wasn't that camel green. But aside from that, I love the shoe, man. It's a really nice shoe.
Agreed.
Yeah.
All right. My thoughts on it. Chocolate milk, I think, is my favorite out of the 2-pack.
Okay.
And this one, I'd say, I'd probably give it a 9 as well.
Yeah.
I love this shoe.
Yeah.
Everything about it, the concept.
And it's a James Whitman shoe, so of course you're gonna rate it high too.
Yep. James Whitner.
James Whitner shoe, so of course you're gonna rate it high too.
Right. Exactly. So, I'm all behind it.
Yeah.
So that's my thoughts on it. Were you guys able to cop 1, 2, both of them? Let us know that in the comments and let us know which one is your favorite.
Yeah.
And make sure you come back and see us on the next episode. Take it easy.
Peace.